Welcome to my website. I hope you'll find information here that will help you make a decision whether or not to pursue plastic surgery, and if so, what will be the best options for you. Nothing can be as good as an in-person interview, but the website should give you some background information on which to make some decisions and give you some stimulation to provide appropriate questions that you may need to have answered before pursuing the surgery. There are two main parts to the website. There's a lot of text, which hopefully gives you some background information. There are also pictures. Pictures can be misleading. It's important when you're looking at pictures, before and after pictures, that you find someone who looks similar to you do before and similar to you afterwards. Even with that, it's not always possible to get the same results. I think the pictures provide a good example of what is possible, though, and they provide excellent concrete guidance in terms of what happens before and after surgery, much more so than a visual description or the text can. The text also is important, though. I've tried to list on the website what some of the common problems are with surgery, what normal recovery times are, and I try to give you some information in terms of what we're doing while you're asleep during surgery. Hopefully this will help. Again, there's nothing as good as an in-person consultation, but I'm hoping that, or at least my goal with this website, is to give you some information so that you've got the background and you'll know how to determine whether it's the right operation for you or not. If you decide to pursue cosmetic surgery and you make an appointment, let me explain a little bit what to expect. When you call the office, we'll try and find a time that's convenient for you. I will be able to spend about an hour with you discussing the procedure and what the options are, maybe what some of the alternatives are. I like to use the smallest hammer, if you will, that I can in order to get you the result that you want. This can speed your recovery and decrease the risk of unnecessary surgery. After consultation, I can determine better what costs are involved with the surgery. We will put an estimate together including our costs, the operating room, anesthesia, implants if that's appropriate, or any special garments that might be needed afterwards. If financing is something that you would like, there are options that are available which can be discussed with the front office. Once a decision is made for surgery, I will see you again. We'll spend another hour with you discussing the benefits, the risks, what to expect before surgery, after surgery, how to take care of yourself, what some of the common problems are. In case they happen, you'll know they're not normal and you'll know to contact me right away. At the time of surgery, we will meet at the surgery center. Again, I'll meet you before the surgery center, ask if you have any last-minute questions. If we need to do markings, and I'll doodle on you just like you might see on television. And then after surgery, we'll keep you in the recovery room. For most procedures, you're able to go home the same day. We'll usually keep you around for an hour or so till you're feeling back to normal. Other procedures, some of the bigger procedures we do, such as tummy tucks and facelifts, I may want to keep you overnight. If we do keep you overnight, I'll see you again in the morning before you go home. Follow-ups are usually a week after surgery, and I tend to follow you pretty closely even out to a year after surgery to be sure that you're healing as optimally as possible. Our main goal is to make sure that you have a good overall experience, that you have surgery scheduled at a time that's convenient for you, that you're able to get your questions answered, and that I'm available for you whenever you need me. Thank you for visiting drmele.com. I hope that you found some important information available for you. Feel free to use the contact form located on each page or call the office directly. This not only helps me help you, but helps me know what people need to know for the website in the future.